Welcome to Primetime Autosport. We have the tires and wheels for your car. Why choose Primetime Autosport? Number 1, Houston's best tires and wheels. Number 2, premium tires, new and used. Number 3, wide selection of services. Number 4, new and used custom wheels. Number 5, customer support 24/7 online. Number 6, affordable prices. Primetime Autosport provides tire shop repair and replacement in Houston, Texas. Call us at 832-582-7069 or visit www.primetimeautosport.com when your vehicle needs service.